What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and I want to welcome you back to my channel today. Whether it's your first visit or you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome, my friend. I've been getting so many people to ask me, are you okay? What have you been up to? Where are you? I hope you're still alive. Y'all, I'm alive. I'm doing great. My husband has been off of work for a little bit in between assignments, and we have just been enjoying our time together. But that's not all I've been up to. I have embarked on a brand new journey. I cannot wait to show y'all what that journey is. So back in December, I ended up ordering a laser, and y'all don't mean one of those little kitty cat laser pointers. I'm talking about an 80-watt workhorse laser. Why do you care that I bought a laser? Let me show you. To kick off this new journey, I've come up with two designs that I'm going to unveil first. The first one is this adorable little gnome. He comes with, that's his backside. He comes with all of his lines scored, so when you get ready to paint it, it makes it super easy. Now I've gone ahead and painted one for you, and look how adorable he is with his little Valentine's Day heart. Now the heart is going to come unpainted as well. When you order this gnome set, you're going to actually get 13 different pieces, one for every season, plus a bonus cupcake that you can put in for a birthday. Let me show you the next one. The other design that I've come up with is this adorable little farm truck. I actually have not put this together yet, so you can see it might come a little apart, but the great thing about this is you can put this together yourself. The farm truck is going to come with 12 different designs, and look, here's the one for Valentine's Day for it. And these designs just sit right in the back of your little truck. Isn't that adorable? There's no Velcro, there's no magnets, there's nothing at all. I have put a lot of thought and a lot of time and a lot of effort into coming up with designs like this. The great thing is I'm also going to put out videos, so be on the lookout for those. I'm going to show you how to paint the little gnome here and all of his seasonal decorations to change out. And I'm also going to show you how to paint the truck. These are just suggestions, so feel free to use it your own way and interpret it ever how you wish. Here's a closer look at the gnome little interchangeable decorations. And y'all, I know some of these may look a little crazy, but have no fear. I will have a video showing you how to paint all of them. Let me also show you this cute little gnome home that I designed to go with our gnome. The best part is the door opens and closes, and all of your little seasonal decorations fit right inside. Isn't that adorable? Now you can have a different personalization on your gnome home if you don't want it to say gnome home. If you actually want to give your gnome a name, we can make that happen too. Okay, y'all, here's a closer look at the little truck. Now, you don't forget you do have the option to personalize your truck with anything you want to on the license plate. Now, have a look at the adorable seasonal decor that I designed. I cannot wait to get these painted in a video for y'all so you can follow along. I hope y'all are as excited about this new venture as I am. It just means so much to me to be able to bring y'all American-made designs that I have come up with myself, and it brings me into your home with you, y'all. This just means the world to me, and I can't wait to put out more designs and see what y'all think. If you've got any suggestions or things that you would like to see me design, be sure to drop those down in the comments below. That does it for today's video, y'all. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And don't forget to check out momadaresdiy.com. Click on that shop button and you can find both of these designs as well as a couple of others that I've already got on the website as well. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.